Okay, let's check our work. We're going to start right here at share and show with number 1. It says circle groups of 3 to find 12 divided by 3. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 dots. That's my dividend. I can just circle groups of 3. I have 4 groups of 3, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. We're good. All right, find the quotient. Quotient is an answer to a vision problem. So 6 divided by 3. All right. I have 6 dots. I need to put them into groups of 3. I have 2 groups. 6 divided by 3 is 2. How about 14 divided by 2? Well, 14 is a lot to draw, and I don't feel like drawing that. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to make a fact family chart. 14 is my dividend. So 2 times what equals 14? Well, I can count it out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2 times 7 equals 14. So 7 is my quotient. How about 21 divided by 3? I don't feel like drawing out 21 circles, so I'm going to do this again. 3 times what equals 21? Okay, I need to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 3 times 7 equals 21. So 7 divided by 3 equals 21. That's how I can use my multiplication facts to help me with division. They are inverse operations, which means they are opposite of each other. Okie doke. All right, same thing. 30 divided by 5. Ooh, 30 divided by 5. If 5 is my divisor, I can use my tens to make this easier. So 30 divided by 10 equals 3. And then I add 3 more, that gives me 6. 6 is my quotient. We learned this one yesterday. All right, that was a quick review to make sure that you have your 2s, your 3s, and your 5s all working. Okay, let's keep going to problem solving. Copy and solve. Find the quotient, draw a quick picture to help. Let me grab some paper. Okay, that was super fast getting a piece of paper. Gotta love technology. All right, so we're going to copy 9 divided by 3. Find the quotient. Here we go. Nine divided by 3 is 3. I drew 9 dots, divided them into groups of 3. I had 3 groups. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That was number 6. Let's do number 7. 10 divided by 5 equals, okay, we are dividing by 5, which means I can do 10 divided by 10 equals 1, double it to get my 5s. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Because anything divided by itself is 1. Add 1 plus 1 to get 2. That's how I divide by 5s. Here we go. Number 8. Ooh, this is the fancy type. 15 divided by 3. Let's write it out this way, just because we're used to seeing it that way. What does 15 divided by 3 equal? All right, let's do a fact family chart on this one. So 3 times what equals 15? 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5. My missing number is 5. Or if I'm writing it over here, 5. Okay, let's do number 9. We're moving up in the world. Hang on, technical difficulties. Number 9, 18 divided by 3. Well, I can do another fact family chart for that one. 3 times what equals 18? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I have 6 fingers showing. 6 is my answer. You've really got to start memorizing those multiplication facts. It's going to make division a whole bunch easier. If you have forgotten your multiplication facts, you have a multiplication chart in your journal. You made one of those for class. If you are unsure, you can always write out a 3's chart. You need to do times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 10. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And you just keep going all the way down, and then you have a little chart to remind you what your multiplication tables are for just your 3's. Because that's all we're dividing by today, supposedly. We're doing a little bit more than just 3's. But dividing by 3, when it's a number that we don't normally use a whole bunch, it might be easier if you make a little chart. And this is 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, 4 times 3, 5 times 3. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, all the way down. This could truly help you. Then when you're doing your fact family chart, you can say 3 times what is 15? Find 15, 5. 3 times what is 18? Find 18. 3 times 6 is 18. Makes it simpler. Even better is just to memorize them. Okay, so we've done these. I can write my answer in just so that Ms. Pearson knows I've done my work. And 6. Okay, and then we move on to number 10. Okay, I told you I really like these. Figuring out which operation sign is missing. So first I'm going to start with what I know, and that is 10 divided by 2. I know that 10 divided by 2 is 5. So what operation do I need to do over here to make the same answer, to get the same answer as this? Well, if I divide 25 divided by 5, that also equals 5. So division is the missing operation in number 10. How about this one? 3 times 3. 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. How do I get 6 and 3 to equal 9? Do I add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Well, let's start at the beginning. Adding 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is right there. If I add 6 plus 3, I get 9. Okay? How about number 12? 24 minus 16. All right, y'all know by now that I like my subtraction going this way. So can I do 4 minus 6? No. I have to borrow. All right, 14 minus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minus 6 equals 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So I need my answer to equal 8. 16 plus 2? 16, 17, 18? No, that equals 18. How about 16 minus 2? 16, 15, 14. No, that's 14. How about 16 times 2? Ooh, 16 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. No, that's 32. Which leaves me 16 divided by 2. Let's check that work. Let's make a fact family chart down here where I have space. 16, 2. What is missing? 16 times what equals, 2 times what equals 16? 2 times 8 equals 16. So 8 is my missing factor. Sorry, division is my missing operation. All right, I'm going to fly through the rest of these since this video is taking so long so we can get through all of them. So 13 and 19 is 32, which means it's missing multiplication there to also equal 32. 6 times 2 is 12. Whereas this is going to be subtraction. 14 minus 2 is 12. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So this is missing addition to equal 7. All right, so how'd you do? Starting at number 10, it was division. 11 is addition. 12 is division. 13 is multiplication. 14 is subtraction. 15 is addition. Hope you did okay on those. That's kind of a brain teaser sort of feel. I love it. So there are 7 equal teams for the relay race. There are 21 students that have signed up for the relay race. How many students are on each team? I understood all the words. Let's read it again and find our important information. So there are 7 equal teams. That is my divisor. For the relay race, there are 21 students. That is my dividend that have signed up for the relay race. How many students on each team? How many on each team? That would be my quotient. So if I look at my list here, I find 21 and 7 because I know I'm dividing by 3s. So 21 and 7, the missing factor is 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Or I could have drawn out my dots. And I could have circled in groups of 3. Counted those up. Sorry. Yeah, 7 equal teams. Hang on, I did that wrong. Shh, don't tell. I did that wrong because I read wrong. 7 is my quotient. That's my answer. I need to find my divisor. So if I circle groups of 7, I get 3. So that would work. Or if I use my chart, I would say, okay, so 7 is my answer. I have 21 divided by 3 equals 7. I'm missing the 3 is what's missing. All right. I'm hoping you got the same answer I did. 21 divided by 3 equals 7 equal groups. So there are 3 students on each team. This question is bothering me. Let me go back and try it one more time.